How to brush teeth. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to brush your teeth effectively. Wet the toothbrush. This helps the toothpaste to foam up. Apply pea-sized fluoride toothpaste. Using too much toothpaste is unnecessary. Position the toothbrush at 45-degree angle. Ensure that the bristles are touching both your teeth and gums. Brush in small circular motions. Start at the back of your mouth and work your way to the front. Brush the outer and inner surfaces of your teeth. Make sure to cover every tooth. Brush the chewing surfaces. Use a back and forth motion. Do upward and downward movement like this. Brush your tongue to remove bacteria and freshen your breath. Floss to remove any food particles and plaque that your toothbrush might not reach. Take care of your mouth.